Hello, students. Lockdown again. Uncertain conditions. Are you confused? Yes. Then where to go? To whom you can ask? What? What you can ask? Everything is in question mark. Don't worry. Bond debut is there. Always there to help you. So please don't hesitate to ask for help. Because mentoring will give you, coaching will give you some certain amount of help that can be helpful for clearance of your confusion. So are you there to listen me? How it is possible? Yes, Bond Debut has designed special program, that is Mind Spa with Applied Theatre, on the topic sharpen the skills, sharpen the saw. Everybody knows Seven Habits, written by Stephen Covey. In that book, you have read seventh habit of most successful people of world. Naturally, it is tested formula, and that with the help of that formula, we will just go through the sessions. So we have designed 5 sessions, 2 hours per session. Please enroll your name right now. Book your slot. If you want to come one to one, then it is okay. We are giving that services. If you want to come with your friends of group 5, 10, it is okay, but not more than 10 are allowed. So, are you there to book your slot for the session Sharpen the Skills? What we cover? So, we will work on 4 dimensions. First, body, that is fitness with the stretching and all these things, and how it is helpful for your overall personality and designing of your career. Second thing, that is mind. Mental with sharpening your we can say ability to speak, that is your mental health with learning. Online classes are going on, but you are not interested, so you are losing your mental health with mental fit. That mental fit with your study patterns, studies, then whatever online sessions are going on, and you are not interested at all interested in that sessions. So what you are looking for? You are looking for something interesting. We have, because we applied theater, so we give activities, on the spot tasks that will give you spontaneous energy to build up your own thoughts with whatever the responsibilities you want to take. You will design for mental spa. Third one is emotional. What is emotional? Yes, very emotional with your family, with your parents, with your friends, with your society. But that relationship matters? Yes, matters. But if there is something that relationship is not working, so we will work on that also, so that your teachers and your relationship, your college and your relationship, your friends and your relationship, that will be positive, as well as your family. That is very, very important part of relationship, that will also work. And last one, that is spiritual. End of the day, what we are going for, why we are running behind the things. Mental. ओम नमः शिवाय. मेडिटेशन. अब मेडिटेशन वो कोई मैं गुरु मंत्र या भजन गाने नहीं बोलूंगी. जस्ट बी स्पिरिचुअल, बी विद इन. खुद से खुद की रिलेशनशिप कब अच्छी बनती है? व्हेन यू मेडिटेट और व्हेन यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड सेल्फ. बट हाउ टू? इफ fear is there, then how to move to courage? You need to understand yourself. If anger is there, how to control that anger? You need to understand so that you will get peace in mind, and that will restrict you from addiction. Any addiction, even internet addiction, is also very very bad. थोड़ी देर व्हाट्सएप पे एक डाल दिया है, फेसबुक पे एक पोस्ट डाल दी तो कितने लाइक आते हैं, वी आर वरीड, और बहुत रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में हमारा माइंड जो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. So we need peace. So we will work on all four dimensions. And fifth day will be very interesting because you will go for your presentation, that is your profile presentation. And that will be very interesting part for you. So no lectures, only the activity based workshop, just 5 session. Book your seat now. Here Mindspark Bond Debut gives you platform to take a spa. Thank you.